Ladies and gentlemen, you are probably wondering, how do I pay off all of my credit card debt? Well, to be honest with you, it's really simple. First of all, you have to have a job or you have to have some sort of income. If you don't have a job or you don't have income, well, get one or get some income. You need money in order to pay off your debt. It's really simple. And then once you have that money, make more of it. A lot more. It's not a lot, but you got to consistently make money. It's sometimes you won't make a lot, but sometimes you'll make a lot and sometimes you make a little. But the point is, you have to be consistent. I'm going to show you guys my statement. I paid off $19,851.24 right there. Like, that's crazy. But it's really simple. Like, all you have to do is just not spend any money. Like, all of this is just deposits. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. Boom. The only thing that I was charged is interest. And, well, interest sucks, but at the end of the day, you gotta pay it. So that's number one. Make consistent payments as much as possible. You wanna know how long it took me to do that? 3 months. 3 months to pay off $19,000+ of credit card interest. So it's possible. Anything is doable. You just have to consistently grind every single day, non-stop whatsoever. Like, you have to put yourself and your finances first. And then when you do that, you go to the bank, specifically drive-through ATMs, because your time is very valuable, and then put your card in the machine and deposit that cash. Wow, mind-blowing concept. Like, it's, most people don't even think that, oh, I should probably put my money in the bank. Yeah, you should definitely put your money in the bank, but not only should you put it in the bank, but you should actually take that money and pay off your debt. Don't just leave it in the bank. There's no point. If you leave your money in the bank to do nothing or just collect savings or whatever, you're not actually making money. And your investments that are like whatever, 2-3%, 5%, 8% or whatever, if you've got debt, like, the interest on that debt is way higher than the amount of money that your money is making you. So priority, pay off your debt. It's easy. There, boom, done. That's it. Just put the money in your bank and just do it every single day as much as possible. Mind-blowing concept, very simple. Like, I don't understand how hard it is. Boom, there we go. And then, when you do that, you go and you make more. You have to hustle. There's no other way around it. If you can't hustle, if you can't make money in whatever industry you're in, then I'm sorry, but you're just gonna be where you are for the rest of your life. So for example, if you're in, like, I don't know, you work as a hairdresser, or you work in a salon, or you do nails, or or you fix stuff. You have your full-time job where you make money, but then at the end of the day, you come home and you just scroll on your phone, you do stupid stuff, and you're just wasting your time. Like, if you already have a skill and you can do it in the daytime, you should also be doing it in the nighttime or in the weekend or whenever you're not working, whenever you're not making your regular income. If you can, for example, fix something during the day, you should try to get clients and try to fix that stuff in the nighttime. You want to know why? This is a mind-blowing concept, because a lot of people, they can't come to you during the daytime because they're working, so they will come to you in the nighttime when they're not working, so that they can pay you for a service that you normally wouldn't be able to give them during the daytime. Does that make sense? A lot of people don't understand stuff like that. And sometimes people will even pay you more for your time outside of regular working hours. Wow, mind-blowing concept. It's like, well, how do I find my clients? Advertise, advertise, advertise. Go on Facebook, go on Kijiji, go on Craigslist, go on wherever, like social media, go on TikTok, go on Instagram, go on YouTube. Put yourself out there, put your business out there. Advertise, advertise, advertise. There's no other way to do it. Like, you can't just sit there and be like, I need money. I want to make a lot of money. Well, you suck. You literally suck. You're wasting your time. You're being a loser. Nobody's gonna come to you if you just sit there and say, I want to make money. Like, bro, ladies, gentlemen, put yourself out there and get the clients, get the goods and services that you can provide. Sell, sell, sell. Like, I get it. Right now there's a recession. Everything is messed up. People are all out of money. It's so hard, this, that. But look, at the end of the day, there's trillions of dollars out there. And you have to gain access to that by providing value. If you can provide value, you can make some of that money. I'm not saying you're going to make trillions, but you can at least make something out of that. Does that make sense? If it does to you, then you're on the right path. If it doesn't make any sense to you, well then, I don't know. What can I say? You're hopeless. Or not hopeless. I don't know. I pray. Well, I don't pray for you because prayers and hopes and prayers don't actually get anything done. So, you know, get to work. Get your ass to work. Do something productive. If you sit at home and just screw around or don't do anything productive, then you will be stuck where you are and nobody's gonna come and help you, unfortunately. So just keep grinding away at it. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Just don't give up. Literally don't give up. Tell yourself that you can do it. That's probably step number one. If you're sitting there and you're thinking, oh, I'll never be able to pay off this debt, or I'm gonna be stuck forever, or I'm not gonna be successful, or I can't do this, or I can't study, or I can't make it, I'm not smart enough, I'm not strong enough, I'm not fast enough, I'm not rich enough. Keep telling yourself that, then you won't be. That's just how it is. But if you can tell yourself that I got this, I'm gonna make it, I'm not gonna give up, I can do this, I'm fast, I'm strong, I'm rich, I got this, we got this, whatever, then you'll make it. So just never, ever, ever give up. It's that simple. Because when you've already accepted your fate, that you're just gonna fail, then you've accepted your fate. But if you say that I want this and I'm gonna do it, and you start doing it little by little, it's all the little things that you do every single day that will allow you to make it in the end. And just don't be stupid. Like, every time you make money, people think, oh, that's it, I made some money, I'm gonna go spend it, I'm gonna go buy some shoes, I'm gonna buy some clothes, I'm gonna buy the new iPhone, I'm gonna buy the new PlayStation, I'm gonna whatever the hell you people spend your money on. Just don't. You don't need all this stuff. It's a waste of time and it's a waste of money. Most of the time, you're buying something to make somebody else happy other than yourself. Like, do it for you. Do it for you. Achieve your goals. Most people don't care about what kind of car you drive. Most people don't care about what you have. So stop trying to please others. Please yourself. Like, focus on yourself and grow. Become healthy, strong, rich, whatever your goals are. But that's how you do it. Like, I literally thought that I wasn't going to be able to do this, but I just said, you know what? Just little by little, I'm going to grind it out. You want to know how I grinded it out? Here, let me show you. It was really simple. Like, if I just look back at my statement, here it is. When I first started 3 months ago, boom, 280, 300, 180, 600, 250, 500, 300. You know, like, it's the little things. It's the little kind of steps. You just kind of, every single day you try to grind it out. Like, here, June 1st, June 4th, June 6th, 7th, 10th, 14th, 16th, 20th, like every day as much as possible, every other day, you know, 200, 400, 200, 500, 400, 500, 100, 900, 300, 500, 500. Like, you just have to grind it out. Just don't stop, don't give up. Like, if you give up, if you sit there and you're satisfied and you're like, oh, I made $100, or I made $500, or I made $200. That's it. I'm good. You know, like, this is what I needed. Then, well, keep living. I don't know. Keep living in that whatever fantasy. What's that word? Keep living in your. I don't even know what the word is. Like, complacency or whatever. Like, find the synonym for that. I have no idea. Like, if you're okay with that, you're okay with that. But if you're not okay, grind it out. Don't stop. Never give up. This is like motivational video, but at the same time, it's just about a process. Just don't stop. If you stop, you'll fail. But if you don't stop, then you might fail, but at least you will have either done it completely or at least done some of it. And the moment that you've done some of it, you'll make it. Trust me. There's no other way to it. Anyways, guys, this has been a completely different video that I normally don't film, but I love sharing success. That is so important. We'll get back to the car vlogs in the next one, but I have to share that because that's super important. At the end of the day, this is not just about me, it's about everybody else. A lot of people want to achieve their goals, and I've got goals myself. I want to achieve them, and it takes time and it takes effort, so you got to do it. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you all. See you guys in the next video. Peace.